In today's video, we are going to learn about G80, G81, G82 and G83 cycles. In this video, we are going to know about the actual uses of these cycles, where to use G81 and where to use G82. And after that, we are going to learn the actual application of these cycles and how the blocks of these cycles are look like. So our first is G80. G80 means can cycle cancel, means the application of G80 is to cancel the activated can cycle. Suppose if we are doing operation with G81 cycle or any cycle, at that time, at the end of that cycle, we have to use G80. That is G80 means can cycle cancel. Okay. So next one is G81. G81 means drilling cycle without peak. What is peak? First of all, we have to know about the peak. Peak means, suppose this is peak. Peak is denoted by Q. Okay. Suppose we have to do drilling operation on this job. At that time, whenever we start drilling operation, we have to give some peak value for the drilling operation. Whenever the block is solid, suppose this is a solid block, and we have to do drilling operation on the same. Okay, and now we have to do this drilling operation. So if you have to do drilling operation on this job, then you have to start drilling from the top of the job, and at that time you have to take the peak value 2 mm. Means peak means depth of cut at a single time. Means first you take peak of 2 mm, means you give depth of 2 mm, depth of cut of 2 mm, and then our tool will be retract to its initial point or the retract point. After that, our drill will be go 4 mm and comes to the initial point. After that, our drill will be go 6 mm and comes to the initial point. This value means peak value. Suppose we are giving Q is equal to 2 mm, Q 2.0. Okay, so then our drill will be start drilling on top of the surface and go 2 mm. After that, it will be come at the initial point. It will then go 4 mm and comes to the top of the hole. Okay, so this is the peaking. Peaking means taking depth of cut at a single time. Okay, so this cycle G81 means drilling without peak. Okay, means it will be it will not take any peak. It will do direct drilling operation like this. Okay, so it will never retract by peaking any amount. It will be take its peak as 50 mm. Means it will be a single peaking cycle. Okay, so it will be in this G81 cycle, our tool start drilling from the top of the hole and drill entire hole, and after that it will be come to the initial point of the drilling. Okay, so this is G81 drilling cycle without peak. The format of G81 will be look like as G81, G98. G98 means return to initial point. Okay, G98. X, what is the X for this? Suppose we are doing drilling operation on this job and the X value is 10 mm. Okay, X 10.0. Y, the hole is lying on Y plane and this is our X0 and Y0 point. So means the Y will be 0 for this. Y 0.0. Z minus how much? This is 50. But we have to do drilling operation 58 mm. Why? Because if we start drilling operation from top up to the 50 mm, means at this point, then our drill will becomes like this. Okay, this point of our drill will become at this stage and this material will be rest on a block. So to avoid this, we have to do Z as minus 58 mm. Then our drill will be look like as this. Okay, means our hole will be clean. Okay, so Z minus 58.0 R, retracting distance R, how much? Plus 3 mm. Okay, and after that feed 100. Okay, 100 mm per minute. Okay, this is the block for G81. Now second G82. The meaning of G82 is drilling with dwell. Okay, so G82 will be look like as G81. Just here is one difference. It has a dwell time. So first we learn about dwell. What is dwell? Okay, this is without peg, and this is G82 means drilling cycle with dwell. What is dwell? Okay, so dwell dwell means pause. Dwell. Okay, dwell denoted by P. Pause. Okay, so if you are doing drilling on this job, suppose this cycle is like as G81, but suppose you are doing drilling on this job and suppose some burr generate at bottom of the hole like this. So to eliminate this burr, we have to do G82. We have to use G82 cycle to eliminate the burr. Means whenever we start doing drilling with using G82 cycle, our drill will be go inside the hole, and after completing all drilling, it will be paused at the bottom of the hole and it will be revolve at the bottom of the hole. Then how much time we have to revolve our drill at bottom of the hole, that will be denoted by P. If we have to revolve our drill at bottom of hole for 3 seconds, then we can give it P 3000. If you have to give pause for 2 mm, then give P is equal to 2000. If you want to give pause for 1 mm, then you have to give as P 1000. Okay, this 1000 means 1 mm. Sorry, 1 second. This P 2000 means 2 seconds, and this P 3000 means 3 seconds. Okay, so to eliminate this burr, we have to give dwell to the drilling operation, and this is possible with G82 cycle. Okay, it will provide a dwell to our drill and eliminate this burr. So how the block of G82 look? G82, G98 means return to initial point. X, the coordinate will be same for the whole, 10.0, Y 0.0, Z minus 58 same, and R retracting point 3.0, and here is P, how much? 3 seconds means 3000, and F 100. Okay, now our third is G83. So what is G83? G83 is pig drilling cycle, and this is widely used cycle in any tool making industry or mold making industry. G83 cycle used very widely. Okay, because it takes peg during drilling operation, and this peg drilling operation is very safe for our tool. Okay, so what is the peg? We learn here. Peg means Q. Q means depth of cut at a single time. So if you are gonna use G83 cycle, then the cycle will behave like as when you start drilling. Suppose this is your drill and it will be start drilling from the top of the hole. Suppose you are giving Q as a 2 mm, means here is a peg, so we must have to give peg value for this operation. Suppose you are giving peg as a 2 mm to this drill, then our drill will be comes at 0 point. After that it will be come to the 2 mm, and it will be retract. After that it will be come to the 4 mm and retract. After that 6 mm. Like this it can complete up to 58. Okay, and by taking 2 mm peg, it will be completed its operation and go outside the hole. Like this the G83 peg drilling cycle behave. Okay, so this is very widely used cycle. To enhance the life of our drill, we have to use G83 cycle. Okay, so the block of G83 will look like as G83, G98 retract to initial point, X 10.0, Y 0.0, Z minus 58.0, R 3.0, and Q. How much the Q? You can give 5, 2, 3, anything. Q 2.0 and feed 100. Okay, so like this the operation of G83 is carried out. So if you have any doubt, then please ask me in comment. This is the use of G80, G81, G82 and G83 cycles. Okay, so the next cycles we will learn in our next video. If you have any doubt, then please ask me in comment, and if you like the video, then please share video to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks.